welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I am so excited. It is that time of year again. It's time for another FabFitFun box. I am so pumped to be partnering with FabFitFun to share with you guys the fall box. Can anybody just not believe that it's fall? I feel like every season I say that, but I really just feel like this whole summer has totally flown by in like a humid blast of like fog. Like, it's rained, it's been humid. I am so ready for fall and hoping that we get nicer fall weather here in Pennsylvania. I'm super excited to share with you guys this fall FabFitFun box. I do have a coupon code. It will save you $10 off your first order. It will be linked right here below for you guys. Definitely go ahead and click the link in the bottom of the description bar, well, the top of the description box, and it will take you right to the website, and then you guys can just enter the code and save yourselves $10 if you have not yet tried it. Now, I've mentioned, I am not a subscription box girl. This is not typically my jam to like try a bunch of different random things every month. When I want something, I know that I like it, or I know I want to try it, and I just go buy it. But this box, you guys, is amazing. Full-size stuff. It's seriously so good. I don't know what you're waiting for. If you haven't tried it, you need to run and get it. So let's get right into it so you guys can see what's in the box. And remember, some of the items are customizable, so you can go ahead and, you know, decide some of the things on the website. This is just what came in my box. I'm sure you will see other vloggers, bloggers, beauty guru people showing you guys maybe slightly different boxes, but this is what came in mine. Let's jump right into it.
Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, hey, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, hey,
I hope you got a good overview of what the box looks like and everything that came in it. As I said before, I'm just really so pleasantly surprised every single time I get one of these boxes. Everything is just so good, and definitely items that I would choose to purchase myself or already have purchased in the past. So I'm going to jump right in and give you guys a close-up of everything that was in my box and tell you guys a little bit about some of the items that are this or that. So I think if you are on Instagram, you've probably seen a lot of like the tote bag going around. It looks like a lot of like the Melissa Gorgas of the world and those fabulous ladies got like the tote bags and stuff. I got the makeup brushes, which I'm super excited about. I've heard great things about Crown brushes, but I've never had any myself. So I'm really excited to try those. And one of the most exciting things I think in this box was definitely the beauty blender for me, because I needed a new beauty blender so badly. And the Glam Glow sheets, I'm so pumped to try. That's something like, they're super pricey in my opinion, that brand, but everyone says the masks are so amazing. So I think this is like a good way to like dip your toe into the Glam Glow brand and see if it's kind of like worth the hype. So I'm really excited to give that a try. Everything in the box is just so good. And then there's a whole interview with Christina Applegate, which I love her. So many good things in this magazine, you guys. I know I like go over the magazine and like tell you guys how much I love it, but it's really just like, don't toss it when you get it. It's so cute, and there's a lot of good little tips and tricks in here. I just really find it helpful, and I love that there's a horoscope in it. Is anyone else like obsessed with reading horoscopes? I absolutely love it. And there is a horoscope in here. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into it. First thing is this super adorable Alfred French press. It's super cute and really nice. I think this is going to be like a nice little switch up to my espresso. So that's what it looks like, his little holder. You would just pour hot water and your coffee in there, and you can have like a really cute little Instagrammable moment with your coffee in the morning. So I love that. You guys, I needed a new beauty blender so bad. I tried one of like the Target brand ones, and it's just not the same. I am so excited that one of these came in the box because I've been needing one of these for a long time now, and it just, there's nothing better than a fresh, bouncy beauty blender. So super pumped about this, and I've actually never had this color before. So okay, so the next thing is going to be from Skin & Co, and this is a shower gel, and it's from the Italian collection. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, that's really nice. So it's called Blue and Capri. It's very light, but really like clean and refreshing smelling. It has notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossoms. Trying stuff like this, and these are perfect gift-giving things or little stocking stuffers that you can keep on hand. I've mentioned this before, but now that fall is coming up, you guys, if you get these boxes and you just think like, oh, I already have a French press, or I don't need another eye cream, say you have one you already like really love, which comment down below if you do, because I am always on the hunt for a good eye cream. These are great boxes to kind of keep in your gift closet. I have a whole closet in my house with wrapping supplies, gifts for like adults, men, women, children. My daughter's always getting invited to birthday parties, and I just like have a stash of stuff that I will pick up. Or if I get stuff and it's like, oh, I already have that, I will put it away. And this box is perfect. So if you don't like need everything in it, they're great little additions to add to like a cute little birthday bag or something like that. Or if you get caught off guard and you have to go somewhere and you need a gift, like this is perfect to like keep some things in your little gift closet. So the next item is this really, I love the packaging of this. This is the grapefruit exfoliator, and so you gotta puncture the top. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. This smells really good, and I cannot wait to try this. My skin gets so dry, especially now, like as the weather transitions, it will get super dry and flaky, so I always love having scrubs on hand. The next thing is from this brand called Pharmacy, and I have heard about this before, and I've heard great things. And this is a do-it-all total eye cream, and I'm really excited to give this a try. Again, really cute packaging, like definitely a little bit thick, which is nice. This would be something I would definitely put on and sleep with. Oh, it rubs in actually really nicely. Actually, once it's on, like it feels, I don't know if it's just me, it feels like it has more of like a gel water consistency than like a really thick, kind of like heavy fragranced eye cream. When I worked at YSL, we had an eye cream that was like very heavily fragranced, and this is so nice and light. Actually, I think this would be perfect for during the day underneath your makeup. It dries down, it doesn't feel greasy, it just feels like moisturizing. Oh, I love that. I'm excited to use this. The next item I'm super excited about, and this is the Glam Glow sheet mask, and these are a bubble sheet mask. I have never had a bubble sheet mask. I've tried the Bliss oxygenating like facial that you can put on, if you guys have ever tried that. I love that, and it has, I think that one has vitamin C in it, but this says the oxygenating micro bubbles will start to form within 60 seconds, and you leave it on for approximately 3 minutes. Okay, so this is like a quick mask. That's what it says on the back. It has green tea leaf, glow, oxygenate, detoxify, purify, face makeup removal. So that's what that looks like. I'm really excited to try these, and I actually didn't know that they had sheet masks out. Like I said, I don't really follow that brand, but I've been interested to try something, so I'm really excited to give those a try. The next thing, which is super cool, are these Cobra Bluetooth in-ear little earbuds, and I'm really pumped to try these. I have a pair of Beats, which I use all the time and love, but this is going to be perfect to keep in my gym bag, and I can't wear the Apple ones, like the AirBuds. Everybody has those, and I like see everyone like the little, you know, Apple bud popping out. They do not stay in my ear. I don't know if there's something wrong with my like ear, like I don't know what it is, but for some reason they just do not stick in my ear. And yeah, right, trying to run in those things, like they just flop all over the place. Those would be lost in 5 seconds if I had them. So I have the over-the-ear Beats, the wireless ones, which I absolutely love. But when I'm editing and stuff like that, and I'm out at like a coffee shop, or I go to the library sometimes to like work on videos, or, you know, do stuff on my computer, I don't always like to have those giant headphones on. I just think it's like they can be kind of annoying to carry around in my purse, or it's like I don't want to, if I have my hair done, I don't want these giant headphones like on top. So I love these, and they're really, really pretty. They're black and rose gold, and they're just super cute, and I cannot wait to give these a try. And I love the fact that they are wireless. So let me show you guys. They just come packaged like this. I've actually bought my husband a pair very similar to these, and he loves them. But how pretty are they? So you can put these in, mind my giant hoops, and they stick perfect. You can't even tell I have them in. I feel like I'm probably shouting because I can't hear now. So I really do like how they're like low profile. In here are these really, really cute little tea towels, and I love this. Like, I love that they include homeware, because it's always nice to get some new little towels for your kitchen. You could even put these in like a spare bathroom. Sometimes I'll do that with my downstairs powder room. I will actually buy like cute little kitchen towels like this if they match, which this actually you guys can see. My bathroom is a very similar color to the color in my room, and this would just go absolutely perfect. So I'm really excited about these. It's like a little waffle weave, really cute. Two more things. The next one is a Luna bar, which I have had Luna bars before. They're delicious, love them. This is the salted caramel nut flavor, and it's cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, 22 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein. I would use this probably as like a pre-workout snack. I'd probably have about half of it just to give me like a little boost of carbs before I did like a cardio or like a workout where I know I'm going to burn a lot of calories. So this is actually looks really good. And I always keep these either in my car or in my purse for my daughter and I, because we get hangry if we don't have snacks. So I always have bars on hand, and I'm excited to try this flavor. Okay, you guys, so the last thing is this awesome little brush roll container. You can travel with this. These are from Crown Brushes, and you guys, they are really, really nice. I would definitely like compare these to my Sigma brushes that I've had for years. I would say they're just a little bit fluffier, so these are going to be great in my opinion for powdered products. Hey you guys, I think that's everything. Can you believe all the good stuff in this box? I literally can't. I was super excited that there were a really good mix of beauty products and like home products in this box. I love it. Don't forget, some of the items are kind of, you get this or that. Go ahead and click the link in the description box if you guys want to find out more information about this. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in my fall box. Don't forget to use my coupon code to save you guys $10 off your first box if you haven't ordered one yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye!